Hi.
How are
Hello.
you?
I'm good. Okay. Wow. Good to see you both.
It's good to see you. So, as we are meeting first time, could you please introduce yourself at first?
Yes. Yes. Of course. My name is Neelam Yadav, and I am from India. And basically, I live in Lucknow, capital of UP. And currently, I live in UP, and it's been 12. It's been 2 years. And this time I'm my maternal house. Maika. Do you know Maika?
No.
No, we don't know.
Whenever we got married, that time we leave our in-laws house, right? But after marriage, before marriage, we leave our parents house. So this time I'm in my parents house.
Oh, I got it.
Yes. So yeah, I want to know something about yourself both.
Okay, thanks. As you have given us an opportunity to introduce ourselves. So, first of
Yes.
all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood, as you can see, and I study in class 7. I am from Dinajpur and from Bangladesh. I hope you know about my country, Bangladesh. And as you
Yes.
can
Yes.
see, my sister Maliha, we are siblings and twins baby. I think that's all about me.
And yeah, I would like to know something about your sister. So
Okay.
Okay, thank
yes.
you very much for giving me an opportunity to tell about myself. Hello, I'm Maliha Binte Masud and I study in class 7 currently, and I'm from Dinajpur in Bangladesh. As you can see, this is Muwaj and he's my brother. We are twins as well as we are siblings. And my father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. I think that's it about myself.
Yes, yes. So yeah, tell me what is the reason behind learning this language? Because you are studied in sixth standard, seventh standard, I think. So
Yes.
what is the reason behind learning this language?
Yes, there are a number of reasons that we are learning this language, and I will tell you the main reason that we are learning this language. First of all, it is an international language, and my father, my parents inspired us to learn English. They told us that it is an international language. It is very important in my country to get a good job, to do something better, do something better, something best in my life. You must need it. And as my native language and my mother language is Bangla, I like it very much. But nowadays I have to learn English, is because in my country it becomes so popular. Everybody are going to learn this language. So when I will learn this language, I will attend any exam very easily, and it will be
Yes,
very
yes.
easy to me, very easily actually. It will be so.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, because English is very important language, very crucial language in these days. So yeah,
Yes.
tell me when did you start your journey to learn this language?
So we have been learning this language for 7 or 8 months. We have started our journey on May month 2023.
Are you YouTuber?
Yes, I'm running a YouTube channel named Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. You can visit.
Okay. So are you upload videos daily basis? Do you upload?
No, actually, I maintain that 2 days later I will upload a video.
Okay, so are your parents speak English very well?
No.
So how you develop this language that in your you don't have any atmosphere over there in your family. So how do you develop this desire to learn this language in your family? Have you any atmosphere there?
At first we didn't have any enough environment to learn this language, but after starting our journey we made our home as an English home, that we always try to speak in English. Is when we go to school on when we speak in English, when we need it we also speak in English, not only together but also with our parents and
Yes.
with our team. course, with our English class teacher. And I think if I do it, it will be so easy, and I will be able to conquer my hesitation to learn English, to speak in English in front of people.
Okay, so what are you doing in this time for your English communication?
We are doing many things, such as I'm practicing more and more, so that I will be able to speak in English. And if I practice more and more, I will be able to fulfill my dream. And I think that at a modern age, I have to speak in English, because our country, it is very increasing day by day. This is why we are learning, and as well as we are speaking English. It's a very important language, and we know that it's an international language. Our I think this is the reasons why we are learning and speaking English.
Okay, so
So
you are two. You are two, right? So are you making the conversations to each other sometimes?
yes, we always try to make conversation each other. I think it is helping us very much because
Yes.
to learn English, it is must to make conversation with someone else.
Because you have a partner to
Yes.
speak, right? So in this way, yeah, you can speak everything, because you both are a sibling. So in this way, it is very good thing that whenever we need any practice partner, so you have. So in this way, you are very.
Yes, we are so lucky that I
Yes.
have a brother, and as well he's my partner.
How have you been learning this language?
Yeah, actually, I started, it's been 1 year, but yeah, I'm not using any, and I don't do practice, daily basis. Earlier, when I started my journey, that time I do practice. I did practice, but this time I'm busy some of my work like exam and all the other reason. So this time I don't do any practice for English, but yeah, and if you engaged in my channel, if you have watched my channel, this time I didn't upload any videos, right? So yeah, I didn't also watch your see your message. You mailed me, I think you had mailed me on my Gmail, right? But I
Yes, yes.
didn't. Yeah, sorry, but I didn't see my Gmail. Yesterday, I saw your mail, and that time I messaged you yesterday, and I got your Skype link there.
How many members do you have in your family?
Yeah, in my family, if I talk about my maternal house, so here 10 members in my family. If I talk about my in-laws house, so there are 4 members in my family.
Okay, that's great. So you have enough experience. So give us some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English.
Yeah, you have to practice, you have to do practice, because we all know that this is not our native language, right? So we have
Yes.
to more practice. I don't suggest you that I don't gonna suggest you that you have to read more and more, because whenever we have to read something or write something, that time we puzzled a lot. But in my starting time, when I just started my journey, that time I only watched the videos like advanced, like beginners, intermediate, and that time I try to imitate all the uh, sentence, and in this way I improve my communication. And this time, I can speak. I'm not a very fluent speaker, but yeah, I can speak. I can express my thought, whatever I am feeling. So your I would like to tell you both, your English is very genuine, very good. So you don't need any like writing, because our first motive is we have to be a fluent speaker, right? So we have to speak more and more. Whenever we see any content in English, that time we have to read, and we have to try to speak with our manner. and we have to imitate all the video in English video. In this way we can achieve our fluency, in my opinion.
Yes, I also acknowledge it that through speaking is we have to speak more and more. Then we will be able to speak in English also more and more. Because if we don't practice it more and more, then we will be able to we won't be able to speak in English fluently. We will forget this language.
Yeah, you can see earlier I speak very well, but this time I stuck because it's a long time to practice for me. And today I, do a session with you. So I feel that I'm stucking, right? So whenever we don't practice this language or any language or anything, we don't have, left our practice. We don't it means we left our practice. That time we feel very nervous, underconfident, and we can't express our thought, right? So practice is very important, I think.
At this time, what do you do?
This time I'm watching my study material, and yeah, I'm watching my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm preparing for government job, so that's why I'm watching my study material.
So, when have you started your English journey?
Yeah, it's been 1 year, and that time I, uploaded daily basis sentences and very basic type of sentences. I did the conversational videos. I uploaded the conversational videos, but this time I stopped all the thing, and yeah, you can say
So when have you started your YouTube channel?
almost 1 year. It's been.
One year. But I
Yeah.
have started my YouTube channel 4 months ago, and first time I uploaded blogging video in English, but nowadays I am uploading video conversational video.
So yeah, how's your channel going this time?
Yeah, after starting this uploading this type of conversation going, it is going on very growthly, very quickly, I think.
How many subscribers do you have?
Actually, I have only 467 subscriber, I think. Yeah, I didn't see, yeah.
It's really great for you. So,
And
how
how many do you have?
we have only 182 subscribers.
Yeah, because you are new. You are new, and we have only here just improve our communication. So, what did you do before calling me?
Oh, actually, we was making a conversation with someone else from Qatar.
Qatar.
Yes.
Okay, wow. Okay, so tell me, what is your hobbies first? I want to know your hobbies.
My hobbies many things such as writing, studying, speaking English, swimming, and cycling, and so on.
Okay, so can you swim
Yes, I can swim.
very well, or you just just started
Yes, I'm just trying. I'm not a good.
at swimming? Okay, so what kind of books do you like to prefer to read?
I like English book to read.
Like a story type?
Yes, story time.
Okay, so can you describe your daily routine in front of me?
Okay, no problem. I will tell you. First time I get up at 6 a.m. Then my teeth. Then I take my breakfast. After then I go to my study room for studying. Then my teacher comes and I will study. After then I will take shower. Then I go to school. After coming my house, I take fresh and then I study, and I think that this is my daily routine.
Okay, your daily routine is very super. I want to know, can you tell a story in past? Any story? Can you make any story in a past tense?
Oh, sorry. Therefore, I'm telling you that we don't read more stories, so we don't have enough knowledge about the story.
Something is ringing over
Yes,
there.
a bell is ringing because it's 9.
Okay, it's 9. And here it's 8:30 here.
But in my country, it's 9.
Okay.
So can we
So
finish for today?
today, yeah, I will inform you. I will text you. Yeah, it is not necessary. It means I uh, I'm not able to, I will not able to take any sessions. So yeah, I'm not sure. I will text you message. Okay.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Okay. Bye. Have a nice.
Bye.
Bye.
Good
Have
Have
a
a
night.
good
good
day.
day.
Good night. Bye.
Night.
Good night.